All right, guys. So here we are. Got this thing tore down. It's looking like a mess, and we're worried. Don't worry. Don't panic. We're so close. We're removing the motherboard next. Welcome to part 6. All right. So the first thing you're gonna want to do: disconnect every wire. Be very gentle. Unlike me, who's been doing this a while and knows how much force I can apply to some of these, but like this one, it broke. It actually didn't break, it depinned, which that's not normal. Normally they don't depin like that, but the good thing is it did depin, so I can repin it. But I'm trying not to use up y'all's time in this video by repinning it. There we go. All right. We'll just put that there. Pins back in for the most part. Go ahead and remove all the wires. That is the switch and battery charger cable. Here we have a sensor, or a wheel. We have a sensor, a spinner motor, and we have some more sensors. Remove all those. Next we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Pop all the wires off of all these little retaining clips and slide the motherboard out. And as we know, this was the part that was bad on the motherboard. That's why we don't have lights, and it does look like there was a little bit of water damage right there. Probably not enough to cause all the damage that we were seeing. Right there, it's burnt. Looks like one of the little parts right there burned out. And this actually says RV750, so this is a 750_N or 750 motherboard. We're gonna throw that away, and now we're gonna move on to part 7, guys. So just remember, all these sensors will just pop out if you need to replace those. You just gotta find the corresponding pieces that go with it, which can sometimes be a hassle. The charging pads, they do not come out very easy. I don't even recommend trying because you will cause more damage than good doing it. But we're gonna move on to part 7, I believe we're on. And that's gonna be removing the suction motor, and then part 8 is gonna be removing the spinners. So just remember, if you have any questions about any parts that we already covered, links are in the description.